Really cool stuff here. It's a great project. It's affordable housing. It's passive house, and it is a large structure. When it's finished, this is going to be the largest affordable passive house in the world. So very cool project happening here. So let me tell you about the air barrier on this project. This is a 30-plus story affordable housing, mixed-use residential in New York City. We're in East Harlem here, and I want to show you what they're doing. So the rough opening is a wood rough opening. They've got steel studs and a wood frame on the rough opening. They are first rolling roller grade FastFlash on the sort of the bulk of that, and it's a pretty deep rough opening. Then they come back in at the intersections, the seams, kind of where those two things come together, right in that middle part. Really important, they get their FastFlash gun grade right in there, and then all the edges, all kind of where dissimilar materials are meeting. That's really important to get FastFlash gun grade in there. Remember, for passive house, energy efficiency, airtight is really important. So they really need to make sure that that rough opening is airtight and the whole wall assembly is airtight. And usually the rough opening is the most critical part to get, because that's where a lot of your leakage can happen. The other thing that they're doing is once they get the rough opening, you can see that the sheathing is not on yet. Once they have the rough opening done, the crew is one floor down. They're moving up the wall, putting the sheathing on. Right after they put the sheathing on, they're using FastFlash joint and seam filler and gunning that on the seams, all the sort of edges where different things come together. Their shelf angle, they're putting FastFlash down there, getting all those joints and seams protected with FastFlash. Some of the edges that they're using joint and seam filler as well. So they want to get that all tight. And then once that has cured, like they did that yesterday, and then this morning they come back with spray wrap MVP. So that's the primary air barrier on the outside. Once the sheathing is on, the primary barrier goes on, then they're right on with their insulation, goes right on there. And then what's cool about it is right below them, the masons are laying brick right as they go, and they're just moving up and up and up this wall. So it's a pretty cool production process. And the cool thing is that they're moving pretty quickly. Using that roller grade FastFlash on this rough opening makes it move pretty quickly. So crew's doing an excellent job here.